If you need a good clear line on your fabric that's not permanent, well, I can't recommend this box of Taylor's chalk enough for you because you'll love this. It gives you 4 different colors to work with. There's blue, there's red, there's yellow, and there's white. And each piece has been designed to be easy to hold, and you can press really hard without it breaking. It won't leave any residue on your hands as well. No chalk on your hands, folks. That's great. And it's so easy to use because you get the 3 corners on each piece. It's a triangle shape. So you get a sharp line if you use one of the corners to make your marking, or if you want to use one of those long edges, you get a softer line. So even when you press really hard on the fabric, this chalk leaves a mark. And it's easy to use on fleece as well. Fabrics like fleece with a textured surface, no problem. I'm going to show you on both sides of this fleece. So I just did the wrong side that's not as veloured, and now I'm doing the veloured side, and I'm pressing down fairly hard with my chalk, and I've got now a nice clean line for cutting, which I love. And when I'm finished cutting, I just wipe it off. Now, you can use water to remove the chalk as well, so after your first washing, any signs will be gone. I recommend this.